What if I told you that this car is not built like any other car in the world? No traditional factory noise, no chaos, no thousands of workers running around. Instead, robots work in perfect silence. Giant machines replace hundreds of humans, and a single aluminum piece forms the backbone of the entire car. This is Tesla Model Y, the best-selling electric vehicle in America. And today, you're about to go inside the factory where this car is born. By the end of this video, you'll understand why Tesla's production system shocked the entire auto industry, and why no traditional car company can copy it easily. Stew up with the factory is not normal. Just another electric SUV. It is America's most popular EV, selling more units than many gas-powered cars. Families love it, tech enthusiasts admire it, and car manufacturers fear it. Forbidden. Why? Because Tesla didn't just change the engine, they changed how cars are built. Blindness. To understand this revolution, we must start where everything begins.
Alignment looks good on this front passenger door.
Okay, clear to move to the next station.
Check the torque on harness 4.
Torqued. Baseplate secured.
Moving to the fender bracket now.
Slowing the line now. Copy that. Ready for inspection. Slowing the line now. Copy that. Ready for inspection. Okay, slowly raising the pack. Watch the alignment tabs. Tabs engaged on this side. Steady now.
I'm checking the routing on this harness near the frame connection. See that slight misalignment?
I see it. It's within tolerance, but we should monitor the next units.
Bring it down slowly, holding steady, guiding it in. Locked in position.
Alignment on section 3 looks good according to the specs.
Confirmed. Wiring harness is secure and within tolerance.
Front right is good, but the left still needs adjustment. Watch the camber reading now.
Copy that. Making the micro adjustment.
The upholstery alignment looks good here. Agreed. Stitching is clean. How is the door panel gap? It's within tolerance. Overall quality is high. Okay, bringing it down. Seats confirmed on this side. Locked in place. Final press. The alignment on this side mirror seam is spot on. Confirmed. The panel gap is uniform across the fender. Good to go.
The tolerances on the hood alignment look good.
My scan confirms that. Data uploaded. Starting the diagnostic refresh.
Battery module reports are clear across the board.
Sequence complete. Vehicle integrity verified. Front bumper alignment looks good.
Panel gaps are within tolerance. Ready for sign-off.
The line looks great today. It makes me proud of what we do here.
Me too. It's been a really good week.
The alignment on the front grille looks perfect on this one. Quality control confirms the specifications.
The diagnostics report is clear too.